As we get ready to end the semester and get ready for our shopping carts to launch, so to speak, it's a good idea to add Google Analytics. So I want to show you how to do that real quick. Analytics will give you all sorts of handy information. In e-commerce, it's especially handy because we'll see which products don't get a lot of page views. Maybe we see which products cause the highest bounce rates. And we can manipulate our cart to make the best decisions based on our statistics from analytics. So what we need to do is go to analytics.google.com, and here's my analytics page. And right now it is set on one of my 4 properties. So I'm going to go ahead and click on MM214. This is that property. And here we have the analytics home, but it'll tell you a lot of stuff like number of users, sessions, bounce rates, average session duration, by day, how busy it's been over the summer, users by time of day. A lot of great stuff in here. I highly encourage you to have fun with it. But to get this thing going, I'm going to have to click on Admin. And inside here, make sure your property is the property that you created. You can always create another account if you want to have a new property. But for this case, I'm going to do tracking info. And what I need is the tracking code. So this is the page loading, and I'm going to copy and paste this thing. And I'm going to keep it in my clipboard, excuse me. And what I'm going to do next is go into my OpenCart. And inside this OpenCart, I'm going to go into Extensions, and I'm going to find my Google Analytics right here. See Analytics? And see this, I have Google Analytics. And all I need to do now, I have the store. I know it says disabled. It's an issue with OpenCart. But then I would copy here and paste enabled on my section. Now, what's going to happen now is when I click Save, when I go in there, we're going to see how it's enabled? We're going to actually see, and I'll go into that now, once we do the refresh, we should be able to see the OpenCart analytics inside our section. So here's Upload, and I'm hoping we have analytics here. There's Google Manager. And there's my ID right there, so it's already in view. Here's my analytics, excuse me, my source code, and there we go. There's my ID for Google Analytics, and that's our Google Manager right now. So we have our analytics turned on, which is our goal. So if you want to do that, feel free. It's not required. I do require that you have, that I can purchase something. So, but that is how to open up Google Analytics for OpenCart.